were talking about my friend and the father or his gun, frankly, fucking hell, okay? Because at the end of the day, it was Florence that and his escaped son. Right? Nothing would have happened to me. This was a combination of things that were running by that. Remember, I have that sensitivity, always. So, sensitivity, weakness, whatever. But what I'm not saying, I'm used to that. And it does affect a little bit the way I want to go. And it does mean, suggesting you have, that what I learned in 94, and I repeat it now, and I still do it now, that one of my things with Eddie was, I'm sorry, at the end of the day, if you had spoken to this guy, this wouldn't happen. The fact that we wanted to save his ego, whatever, and we had to find a roundabout way of getting the message through to Brigadier McCulley and if he should go, let's impart what happened. Okay, plus there was Guido. Let's not forget what I've been through, right? If Guido's children defending the person who tried to kill me. I think, frankly, at that stage, I should have let